Hello students, welcome to your next environmental class. Today we'll learn lesson number 3, that is animal shelters. Children, first answer my questions. Where do we live? We live in houses. Right, we live in houses. Now why do we need houses, children? We need houses to protect us from bad weathers, very cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, and heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. Also, a house protects us from thefts. When there are thieves, our house is protected because they cannot come inside. Some people live very close to the forest and they have to face the threat of wild animals. A house protects us from wild animals too. In all, a house protects us from bad weathers, wild animals, and thieves. Now, children, answer me, do animals also need shelters? Yes, some animals do. They build shelters for themselves and others find a shelter in safe places in their nearby environment. Shelter, a safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. Let's learn about some animals who build their own shelters. You must have seen a bird's nest. Yes, a bird's nest is its shelter. Birds lay eggs and they are afraid of animals who eat these eggs. Out of the eggs, the bird's young ones come out and they are not so strong to defend themselves from the animals. So, a bird's nest helps it to keep the young ones safe. Birds use things like grass, straw, and twigs to build nests, or they use cotton wool and pieces of thread and string, and this makes the nest soft and warm inside. Nests of all birds are not the same, they are not all alike. A weaver bird chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over the water and it builds its nest on the highest of its branches. Animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach the nest. A tailor bird is smaller than sparrow. It chooses a plant with bigger leaf and it stitches the leaves together with pieces of tendrils, and this little nest is big enough for the little tailor bird. Some insects also build their own shelters. For example, honeybees build their honeycombs on trees or under a roof. Rats and mice dig into the soil and make holes and burrows to live in. Rats and mice, they live underground in fields, or they make holes in the walls or under the floors in our houses. But the rats cannot make holes in houses built with cement because they cannot dig holes into the cement construction. In the next video, we'll see animals who find ready shelters in their surroundings. Thank you.